straddle pose. As you can see, this is a forward fold. As with most forward folds, it will work your liver. Certainly act as a liver squeeze and aids digestion. As you can see, it opens up the hips, opens up the adductors and stretches off both the adductors and the hamstrings at the back of the upper thighs. Decompressing the spine, and you've got a nice gentle forward fold of the spine, so the spine is in flexion. Now we don't want a flat back. Those that are used to hatha yoga will come forward on a flat back. That's very yang, very much using the muscles of the back. This one wants to switch them off. Now in this pose, this can be challenging if you're prone to sciatica, then you're possibly best using props for this. And that prop, from a sciatic point of view, would be a block or some sort of support underneath the bum to take off the stress at S1 and the L5 joint. Some people with knee issues or flexibility issues may require some support underneath the knees. The legs are open wide, and as you slide forward, you may require to be in, and to take tension out, you may require either a block or some sort of support, whether it's a bolster underneath the head or underneath the torso. Always consider using the props. Try not to let ego get the better of you. We don't want too much stress. Invisible action, invisible achievement is what we're aiming for in yin. So that's the props. Let's show you and tell you how to get into the pose. So you're going to do this without props, Tanya?
Yes.
Or do you need them? Okay. So we're just going to sit in a normal, everyday cross-legged position. The stomach is pulled in, the chest is lifted. Lift the spine up through the crown, the head towards the heaven. Then extend your legs out to your sides until you reach your boundary. So again, we don't want to open them too wide, there's too much stress. We want gentle persuasion on the body. Place the hands flat on the floor in front of you. Fingers pointing forward, and then slowly slide or walk forward as you drape yourself forward until you reach your boundary, the point where you're just starting to feel it ever so slightly, and just gently sink a little bit into that, and then just hold it. That's the straddle pose, sometimes referred to as the dragonfly.